In this lesson, we will see together some French cultural elements, and more precisely, we will talk about the kisses. How many kisses when you greet in France? So we saw that in a previous lesson that French people kiss people they know quite well, family, friends, close colleagues. So we kiss, but the question is how many times? Is it one? Is it two? Is it three? Or is it four? Because all these options exist in France. So the thing that is important to remember is that if you are not sure, you just go for two, because most of French people do two kisses when they meet. With the different pandemics that we've been having, it's been reducing this tradition. So just be aware that in some cases, maybe people won't kiss as they used to do before, but still it's a tradition. So if people start to kiss you, don't be surprised. So look at the map of France. We will start with these two little spots here, and in these places people will do one kiss. For the two kisses, it's the rest of France that we'll see later without these special spots. So these places here will go for three kisses, which is extremely generous. And these areas, and I'm coming from there, we do four kisses. Four kisses when you meet someone. So here is the map of France, the kisses map of France. So remember, it will be one here. It will be two, well, for the rest. Three, it's right there in the south, southeast and east. And then four, it's here. But as I told you, if you're not really sure, go for two. It is more simple. And, well, you will have some fun because it's always fun. We never know how many kisses we do with people that we meet. So it's a funny habit.